Good day, welcome back to another episode of building stuff that mostly doesn't work. Today I'm creating a vessel of my own design. I've called it the Spirit class. I'm using the electronics from an old F1 Stingray from Fastwave that I got quite a few years ago. The vessel is designed to be a drone, effectively unmanned vehicle. And I want to give it modular capabilities in the second part of this video. I've come up with quite a few, I'm going to say interesting ideas, but to achieve some of them I will need to be using the SLA 3D printer, which I will hopefully be getting shortly. So this part of the video is me creating the hull of the vessel, mounting all the electronics and getting it working. The footage makes it look deceivingly simple, and the time it looked deceivingly short. This took me well over a week with multiple hours of work. I did actually go through quite a few attempts creating the roof of the vessel, trying to create it watertight and achieve what I wanted to. I was overcomplicating it quite a lot at the start, one of which I even printed, as you can see there. Ended up settling on a more flat, plain design, which actually, since it's a drone, sort of perfectly achieves what I was going for. So I'm very pleased with that. Enjoy the rest of the footage. Underwater, above water. Right, go.